Are you planning a winter escape? In today's video, we'll be showcasing some of the best resorts to visit during the winter season. When it comes to a winter vacation, the Maldives is a tropical haven you can't miss. Whether you're looking for seclusion, luxury, or adventure, we have got it all. Let's start with Anantara Villingili, a perfect getaway for adults seeking a serene environment. This resort offers stunning overwater villas and a range of experiences, from underwater dining to peaceful spa treatments. Winter here is nothing short of magical, as the warm temperatures provide a perfect contrast to the cold winters back home. The indulgent escapism of a sparkling turquoise lagoon makes Soneva Jani irresistible to experience seekers. Soneva Jani is the epitome of barefoot luxury, offering one of the most unique and extravagant winter escapes in the Maldives. With its iconic overwater villas featuring slides that plunge directly into the lagoon, Soneva Jani is perfect for families and couples alike. Known for its eco-friendly approach and exceptional attention to detail, this resort offers unforgettable experiences, from stargazing at its overwater observatory to dining under the stars on a secluded beach. Winter at Soneva Jani is pure magic. Next on our list is Kudadoo Maldives Private Island. An all-inclusive private island that's eco-conscious and powered by solar energy. With only 15 residences, this resort ensures complete privacy and luxury. Kudadoo is perfect for a winter escape, if you're looking to disconnect from the world and immerse yourself in nature. Vakkaru Maldives is a paradise for families and couples alike, offering a perfect balance of luxury and adventure. With its stunning overwater villas and beachfront residences, this resort is a fantastic winter escape. Whether you're exploring the vibrant marine life, relaxing at the award-winning spa, or indulging in world-class dining, Vakkaru offers an unforgettable experience. Its warm, welcoming atmosphere and extensive range of activities make it an ideal destination for a winter getaway in the Maldives. A 30-minute scenic seaplane flight from Malé International Airport. Vakkaru Maldives is a secluded reef island blessed with timeless ocean views, powder soft, brilliant white sands, deep blue holes and house reef, with unique marine biodiversity. "40 minutes by yacht from the airport, a million miles away from the cares of the world. A private playground for adults and children. The iconic Waldorf Astoria Maldives Ithaafushi, a sprawling resort with something for everyone. From world-class dining to private pools and secluded beach access, it's a winter paradise that promises unparalleled luxury." From holistic family escapes to exclusive seasonal escapades, the Nautilus Maldives offers liberating moments for every occasion. The Nautilus also offers a highly personalized experience, allowing guests to create their own schedules and activities. This freedom and flexibility make it an ideal winter retreat for families and solo travelers alike. Next on our list is the exquisite Patina Maldives, located in the Fari Islands. This resort blends luxury with a modern, minimalist aesthetic, making it a perfect destination for design enthusiasts. During the winter season, Patina offers a harmonious balance of relaxation and adventure. You can enjoy personalized wellness treatments, dine in world-class restaurants, or explore its curated art and culture experiences. Whether you're strolling along its pristine beaches or admiring the island's art installations, Patina Maldives is an unforgettable winter retreat. If sustainability and barefoot luxury are more your style, then Gili Lankanfushi Maldives is the perfect choice. With its eco-friendly philosophy and stunning overwater bungalows, it's an unforgettable destination for a winter getaway. When it comes to luxury, there's no such thing as one size fits all. That's why Gili Lankanfushi gives you the freedom to design your dream getaway. Whether you seek quality time with family, an escape from reality, or a thrilling range of aquatic adventures, step into the vibrant world of Carnival nights, a Maldivian spectacle where the rich tapestry of Maldivian culture and heritage comes alive in a modern celebration of joy and tradition. For a fun and energetic vibe, Finolhu, Atoll Maldives is the perfect winter escape. This resort stands out with its playful, retro-chic style and lively atmosphere, offering everything from themed beach parties to water sports adventures. Finolhu is ideal for both families and couples looking to mix relaxation with excitement. With its long sandbank and stunning lagoon, winter at Finolhu is all about enjoying the sun, sand, and sea in style. The Ritz-Carlton Maldives Fari Islands is a sophisticated and sleek resort that offers a modern take on island luxury. Its futuristic design and luxurious amenities make it a top pick for travelers looking to escape the winter cold in style. The Ritz-Carlton Maldives Fari Islands invites you to embrace island life. The resort features 7 best restaurants and bars in Maldives, from Culinary Island, Grand Sunset Beach, and Fari Marina Village, offering curated experiences for all tastes. At Kuda Villingili Resort Maldives, you'll find a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. With one of the largest infinity pools in the Maldives, this resort is a paradise for those seeking luxury and tranquility. During the winter season, you can indulge in gourmet dining, unwind at the beachfront spa, or engage in water sports like surfing and diving. Kuda Villingili is the perfect spot for travelers looking to balance peaceful solitude with exhilarating activities. Spend time with loved ones, make up for lost time, strengthen friendships, or form new ones. Whether you are traveling as a couple, family, group of friends, or alone, Kuda Villingili is a slice of paradise where everyone is welcome. For an eco-conscious luxury experience, Senses Laamu is a top winter destination, known for its commitment to sustainability. This resort offers rustic, yet luxurious overwater and beachfront villas that blend seamlessly with nature. Winter at Senses Laamu is a time to reconnect with yourself and the environment, whether through their wellness programs, organic dining, or exploring the vibrant house reef. It's a peaceful retreat for those looking to combine luxury with sustainability. Escape to your own tropical sanctuary at Senses Kanuhura, where barefoot luxury meets pristine natural beauty. With its laid-back atmosphere, personalized service, and commitment to sustainability, Senses Kanuhura invites you to experience the Maldives in its most untouched form. Whether you're snorkeling in the vibrant coral reefs or relaxing in your beachfront villa, this resort offers an idyllic retreat from the winter chill. Encompassing 3 private islands, Senses Kanuhura Resort is a short seaplane ride from Mali International Airport, or speedboat transfer from the pristine Soneva Jani Atoll. With 91 spacious beach, family, and overwater pool villas, the lagoon is at your feet, where the vibrant reef protects the resident turtles and marine life. Not just another 5-star resort in the Maldives, Milaidhoo does things differently. They call it reinvented luxury. They don't also think of their guests as holidaymakers, but as storytellers crafting a dream holiday. This is where your story of a small island begins. Milaidhoo Maldives is a boutique island retreat designed for those who appreciate life's finer details. This resort is perfect for couples seeking romance and tranquility during the winter months. Known for its personalized service and intimate atmosphere, Milaidhoo offers experiences like private sunset cruises, romantic beach dinners, and excursions to nearby reefs. It's the perfect winter escape for those looking to unwind in an environment that feels both luxurious and authentically Maldivian. Conrad Maldives Hurawalhi Island is world-renowned for its underwater villa and undersea restaurant. Discover the Muraka, a first-of-its-kind, luxury 2-level residence with a master bedroom, submerged over 16 feet below sea level in the Indian Ocean as part of the Conrad Maldives Hurawalhi Island Resort. Leaders in the world of gastronomy, the resort is home to award-winning restaurants and the world's first undersea dining experience. Enhance your stay with private dining, intuitive service, and our relentless determination to offer the best in luxury cuisine. For those wanting to indulge in the ultimate luxury, One&Only Ritz-Carlton provides a world-class experience with its grand villas and impeccable service. It's a top choice among celebrities, and offers an exclusive, private getaway during the winter season. If luxury and wellness are at the top of your list, look no further than Joali Being. The resort is all about personal well-being and artistic expression. Joali is filled with stunning art installations, while Joali Being focuses on holistic wellness. A perfect winter retreat to rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. Embrace a living dream, away from life's limitations, where pleasure and purpose fuse. Ithaafushi Maldives offers a truly unique winter escape with its world-famous and the world's very first underwater spa, where you can unwind while surrounded by the beauty of the ocean. This adults-only retreat is perfect for couples seeking privacy and relaxation. From its stunning overwater bungalows to its serene beachfront villas, Ithaafushi creates an intimate atmosphere for a tranquil winter getaway, making it one of the most exclusive resorts in the Maldives. Welcome to Baros, a natural paradise with a lush island canopy, just 25 minutes by speedboat from the Mali International Airport. Baros Maldives is a timeless and iconic resort, known for its intimate setting and personalized service. It's the perfect winter retreat for couples seeking romance and tranquility. With some of the best house reefs in the Maldives just steps away, snorkeling and diving here are truly exceptional. The resort's serene ambience, luxurious villas, and award-winning dining experiences make Baros a top choice for those looking to escape the winter cold in style and comfort. Looking for a unique dining experience? Hurawalhi is home to the world's largest all-glass underwater restaurant, offering breathtaking views of marine life as you dine. This resort is a fantastic winter escape, especially for those seeking a blend of adventure and relaxation. For something a little more modern and fun, there's the standard, Hurawalhi. Known for its vibrant atmosphere and diverse activities, this resort is ideal for young couples and groups of friends. During the winter months, the resort becomes a hub for festive celebrations and beach parties, making it a perfect spot to break away from the traditional holiday setting. Amilla Maldives is a stylish and spacious resort, offering a luxurious winter escape, with a unique focus on wellness and sustainability. Known for its large villas and personalized experiences, Amilla is perfect for families, couples, and groups looking for privacy and indulgence. With its wellness programs, farm-to-table dining, and an array of water sports, Amilla provides a dynamic and enriching winter retreat that balances relaxation with excitement. Amilla is a holistic hideaway with unparalleled immersive aqua activities to embrace the Indian Ocean, from scuba diving to the famous Hanafaru Bay snorkeling adventures. Alila Faru Maldives is a hidden gem that blends modern luxury with the untouched natural beauty of the Maldives. The resort's peaceful location in the northern atolls makes it an ideal winter escape for those looking to explore pristine coral reefs and enjoy uninterrupted ocean views. Whether it's lounging in your private pool villa or dining by the beach, Alila offers an unforgettable experience for winter travelers. No matter which resort you choose, the Maldives in winter is a magical experience. Warm weather, crystal clear waters, and luxurious surroundings make it the perfect escape. So, which resort will you choose for your winter getaway? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, you might also like the video on the left. See you soon with another exciting video.